cross my path again, tail like a question mark, paws on the red brick wall, eyes like a cutout spark. I heard your little step, tap, tap, in the hall, then the whole room tilted when you stared me down. Tell me what you know, tell me what you saw. You move like a secret slipping through the dark. Black cat, stay on my mind. Black cat, you read me every time. Black cat, under my skin. Black cat, let the omen in. You sat by the windowsill like you own the moon, one ear to the empty air, one eye on the room. When my luck went missing, you were not surprised. You just turned your head slow like you knew why. Tell me what you know, tell me what you saw. You move like a secret slipping through the dark. Black cat, stay on my mind. Black cat, you read me every time. Black cat, under my skin. Black cat, let the omen in. You never make a sound, but